do first of all just her lip line here, just to see if I can get her. Remember, the lip line should have a high point at the GK point, and then it should taper down here. When people have just one thing that's wide there, it looks very unnatural. So it's just like where you would put your lip liner. With these ones here, it has local in it, but I think you really need to have, you know, good probably half an hour on this one here. Yeah. But the main part about this one that's so nice is that it won't overshoot the mark. It won't make you look like a duck before you get there.
Okay, that was good for me. Was it good for you?
Excellent. Have a good stable platform. The tooth may be a little
that's right, because
flatter.
I had the oral surgery inside up there.
The lips have to move when you're talking, so. This stuff flows very nicely. It's a nice, easy flow right from there. But I think now what we ought to do is we ought to do a little bit of the corners of the mouth, because otherwise we're going to be unbalanced. Because the extrusion force, then how hard I have to push on it is less, I think you're going to have a less banged up lip. Just do me another favor, pucker up me.